Are you Kate?
No, I don't.
You don't remember
I'm very
us.
confused.
Okay, we have
We
a
don't look
surprise
familiar
for
to
you.
you?
No.
You don't look familiar. You look familiar to me.
What's going on?
He looks very familiar. Who
We
is
have-
he?
How are ya?
He is an amazing husband.
He
He's
is an amazing
Kyle.
husband.
He's Kyle and you're Kate.
He did something
What
very
is this
nice
about?
for you, all in the name of love. So you wanted to get something, but it was too small. It didn't fit.
Oh my god, the hutch?
He got it for you.
This man is amazing. This man is an amazing person. He's a stalker and he's persistent
Like,
and
what
he's
show?
consistent.
What show are we going to be on?
I'm so confused right now.
So this
Hi, Kyle.
man trailed you down, and when you sent a message and said it's not gonna work out, he contacted us and says she really liked it, I want it, and he is persistent and he shut it down.
You guys got it all the way here?
We did.
Yeah.
We did.
He made an
7.
order. He was very persistent. Get it there at this time. Bring it. It's for her.
People
He
drive.
moved
What's
us.
going on?
He moved. I know. So we want to bring it in.
What's going on?
All right.
Appreciate it. Appreciate it.
Okay. Let's.
All right. So we're gonna go out and get it,
Perfect.
and then come back.
I'll clear the path a little bit more. Thank you so much, and thank you. Everything you wanted is amazing.
Oh, okay. Thank
I
you.
was so
That's
much
him.
for you.
Come out and play. It's Saturday, and I promise I'll love you much better now. The sour taste will wash away, 'cause I promise I'm better now. Wouldn't hold it against you if you say that you don't wanna get close to me, close to what we used to be. But I just feel like dancing. Are you feeling it too? Oh baby, won't you love me? Won't you love me? Won't you love me? Love me like yesterday. Don't you feel it? How it feels, babe. Won't you love me the old kind of new way? Love me like yesterday. I'm sure messed up, not once or twice, but every time you thought that we did alright. But I thought it through, and I'm missing you. And I promise I'm better now. Wouldn't hold it against you if you say that you don't wanna get close to me, close to what we used to be.
Hand painting thing?
Not for us. We fix hand painting.
The hand painting basically, the paint just doesn't apply the same way. It doesn't stay on the same way.
Yeah.
Plus, we put a lacquer on here, so the paint is not exposed. So if you spray water on here, no problem.
How it feels, babe. Won't you love me the old kind of new way? Old kind of new. Tell me you're feeling it too, babe. And love me like
So
yesterday.
is it, when you said you thought it wasn't going to fit, is it because you thought it was just going to
rammed
get
up?
in the window?
Yeah, I wasn't
You thought it was going to get into the window?
I wasn't sure like the height of it.
Wouldn't hold it
Like, and then I don't know. I was
if you say that you don't wanna get
And then she kind of pouted because it's like, oh, it's not gonna fit.
And then I passed it. I passed it.
Yeah, he said, I confirmed to him, I said, you sure it's going to fit? And he's like, yeah, no, but I don't care.
It's
And I
good.
have evidence. He said, but I don't care. But I'm going to get it. Yeah. He probably was doing it on purpose. I'm figuring. Because we're still out of it.
Our place is older to that has the floor. So when you, like normally, I like to get rid of the tops because nobody really wants them because they are so big and cumbersome. But this was so pretty, I was
And it's
like, I
not
have
a
to
full
keep it.
top.
So it's
It's centered.
it's not, yeah,
The
it's
full
not
top.
gargantuous and ornate, it's just so, this is one of the very few ones that we keep the top.
And the trim at the top isn't like ordeal.
Yeah.
Right.
No,
Yeah.
it's like square, so it's contemporary, smooth, like clean line, right? So let's take
So I think we'll cut first. And then, and the good thing about it too is that it's versatile. Because if you feel like you're moving it somewhere else, and you don't want the top, then you use this as a sideboard, and then let's go to storage until you decide to use it again. So the ones that are together, they're a little bit more unflexible, you know? They're kind of tight and have to use them a certain way.
Million thoughts are spinning around in my head. My pulse holds it down, 'cause I'm almost there. Now I see you through the window and I'm walking on it. But I won't let you know. And I know how it goes. It's supposed to feel incredible. It's too bad you had to leave. Please come back now, baby. Where were we? Said you changed in a lie. Got the memories still popping up. Show me your heart, I'll show you mine. You go first, I'll be wise.
Surprise, and you were here, so I'm like,
You're my soul.
I had to make up the story of the sister thing. I had to make up the story of the sister thing in case she did get the message. When I sent her the message by accident saying she's gonna be really surprised, I sent it.
Of all, million thoughts are flying from my head. Let's kiss them away and stay in my bed. Just to know that you are mine, I am floating on it. And I wanna let it show. But I know
my grandmother has, so was my grandmother.
supposed to feel incredible.
And she still has her.
We have changed, but
One from
not that
1926 and 1927, I think.
Yes,
So she gave it to us in rainbow.
catch
I'm like,
a
You
do
should.
something with them. It's really cool.
my heart is not
So this is my great grandmother's piece. This is from 1921. Yeah, so it's a family heirloom.
Louder and
We're hoping
animated.
to get into fighting shape soon.
Nice.
Really features scroll in there, and it'll actually play itself.
Wow. Do you play?
I play, yes.
Everything was
Getting back into it though. So.
Nice.
Yeah.
What do the keys look like? Are they pretty worn? The keys.
The keys are very worn, yeah. We're
They're
gonna
worn?
have to get a
That's
treatment
it?
done to them because they're very yellowed.
Exactly.
It's very old.
Yeah.
It's 100 years old.
I honestly think that this makes it even better. When the keys are this worn, they look the vintage. There's nothing you can do about them. They would be too much for you to change this, but it looks beautiful.
So next year, 100 years old.
Wow.
Yeah.
This is a keeper. This is a keeper.
Days of romantic prose and lilac wine. Nights out under the sky, watching stars align. Days of making sweet honey, Melissa, lemon balm. Nights as warm as your breath on my chest, so calm. Now baby, let the summer breeze carry us away. Let the summer breeze carry us away. Baby, to a place where the sun always shines on to sun.
Let there be rock. Is it? Not last night? This is you?
Well, because it came with like,
So our
grandpa's partner was from France. And so she gave me milk, like probably a dozen milk crates.
That's how we see ours too.
Yeah, and they were just Led Zeppelin to AC/DC to some Puerto Rican stuff, like yeah, stuff I've never heard of. And so I think there's some in the closet.
There's some down there. There's some in the basement. Yes.
Oh, did you bring all the milk crates from Puerto Rican stuff? Would be awesome. Yeah,
In your house would be so fun.
totally. And it's it's record player, right? So it's got that nice crackle.
Yeah, I love the crackle. I mean, you hated it back when it was like.
I remember in high school I was reading like 1984 and it was like dystopian books. So I put on it was actually Alice Cooper too.
Love it.
So I put Alice Cooper and Led Zeppelin on and like read those books. It's trippy. Yeah, soundtrack, like there's a you ever I'm gonna say probably
Alright. Commodores. I remember it when it changed over to CDs. And you missed all this artwork. Remember like the old ones used to be really cool.
Armor Little.
Days of romantic prose and lilac wine. Nights out under the sky, watching stars align. Days of making sweet honey, Melissa, lemon balm. Nights as warm as your breath on my chest